Audi A6 owners choose to upgrade to wireless CarPlay. Let me tell you why. The original Cars for D navigation map is merely a simplified version. This navigation is essentially just for show. It only includes basic features like Bluetooth, phone, media, and radio. How can this possibly meet the needs of the owners? Next, let's see how we can upgrade to wireless CarPlay. First, remove the air conditioning control panel. Loosen the wiring harness behind it. Unscrew and remove the screws inside. Unfasten and take out the disk drive main unit. After removing the main unit, take out the video, power, and audio tail wires. Switch to the CarPlay module's matching wiring harness and plug it in. A slight click after plugging in the harness indicates it is secured. The technician carefully checked the alignment before plugging in the power and audio cables. Secure the wiring harness inside, then connect the video conversion cable to the adapter, designed specifically for this vehicle. A damage-free installation. Wiring harness connection completed. Beginning the pairing process. Search for the Bluetooth signal of the CarPlay module. Bluetooth pairing request appears. Select Pair, then allow access to contacts and personal pairing. Choose Allow. Connecting to CarPlay. The initial connection takes about 10 to 15 seconds. CarPlay appears on the vehicle display. Select Use CarPlay. Vehicle connection successful. CarPlay is activated. Also, activate the Siri voice function memo. Hold the button for 2 seconds to switch to CarPlay. Supports online navigation with Google Map. The original vehicle does not have touch functionality. It is equipped with a smooth control knob. The control is quite fluid. The module is also equipped with additional features. It can switch between CarPlay and other functions. Additional features include support for driving videos, wireless CarPlay, Bluetooth music, and other functions. The display is crystal clear. This truly complements the prestigious Audi owner's intelligent automotive system.